upskilling on a platform like digital marketing is very important, and I think we can trust Digital Vidya for that matter. And yeah, hi, this is Arpita, and I've based out of Bangalore, and I'm a marketing professional. I have been working in marketing field from past 8 years. So at present, I'm working as an offline and online marketing professional in a corporate company, where my roles and responsibility are more or less related to promotion of the brand and product. I was mostly working as an offline marketing person. So my digital marketing experience was not that much. I have initially started with email marketing and little bit of organic social media marketing. But apart from that, I was more interested in gaining more knowledge in the field of digital marketing. So yeah, that is why I enrolled for the program. Actually, when I was trying and when I was applying for searching for more colleges and more institutes who has been giving such positions and such certifications. So one of my friend or ex-colleague, you can say, have referred me to go with Digital Vidya, and I can explore the option there as well. So then I enrolled for Digital Vidya, and initially I had a word with Mr. Kapil in Digital Vidya. So after that, I decided to go forward with the certification. It was a good experience. I must say the classes I have attended, the kind of assignments I have been submitting, and I still my course is completed, but still I get few session emails there and thereafter, and then the LMS platform is also very helpful, where I could find many upskilling ways or videos or recordings which are still present. And I think for students who have enrolled with Digital Vidya has been present for lifetime. So we can just have an upskilling our mind and our skills after the course as well. So that's the very nice and very good thought process in benefiting to an individual. So yes, that is, I think the journey have been very nice. Nowadays, I think online is something which is growing, which post-COVID, it has grown a lot. People have started giving preference to online marketing. Earlier, the need of offline marketing was more because ultimately the look and feel and touch and presence was more important that time. But now I think people have started trusting the process of being into social media or being into online platforms, and getting that look and feel of a digital era altogether at the comfort of their own space. So I think online have been growing and it will grow. So it is an emerging industry and it is an emerging field where I think be it any field, one must learn digital marketing. So that is something which I have been observing, and I have observed, even if an engineer, even if it is a marketer, or like a person who does a day-to-day job, I think everybody is in social media, or everybody is in email or Gmail, or using very rigorously WhatsApp. So I think this kind of a skill is very required in the field now, and one must learn it. I think upskilling is something which is very important. Like even if the basic studies, 10th, 12th, or graduation, post graduation, I think upskilling on a platform like digital marketing is very important, and I think we can trust Digital Vidya for that matter, and they did a good job. So yeah, the scores and everything was very nice and very nicely like instructed or constructed. So the presentation and everything was very like helpful. And yes, definitely one must can choose Digital Vidya as a platform to grow.